everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to link commentary dynamically in scatter plots. Hello everyone, my name is Haozong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. So I have prepared this scatter plot table. So as you can see, there's a commentary here that is based on the cells in column C. So I'm going to just demo quickly. I'm just going to delete the commentary for now. And then I'm going to start from scratch. So first of all is click on your scatter plot. And right click on add data labels. And then add data callouts. And right click again. Format data labels. Then in the value from cells, click on it. Then select the data range. Then press enter. Click OK. As you can see, now you can see the comments. You can move the comments as you wish. If you don't want other things being displayed, click on the data point, format data labels. Then you can untick X value and Y value, and then only the callout will remain. And then you can change the shape by going to format and change shape here, and then you can select a bubble or any other things that you think might fit your purpose. So you click on, I'm clicking on the bubble, right? Then I can just move as I see fit. So if I change something here, this will not increase, right? Then your comment will be automatically or dynamically changed. I hope this video has helped you. Please remember to give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.